आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्केलर एंड वेक्टर. Physical quantity can be also categorized on the basis of their directional properties. In order of a plane need not only to know how much is boiling, but it what direction in which they fly. In order to build bridge, engineers need to know what load a particular designing will support. In such condition, the directional properties of physical quantity become more important. Scalar or scalar quantity. Physical quantity which can be completely described by only its magnitude or size. Magnitude mean number with the proper unit. For example, mass is scalar quantity and can be number kilogram. Proper unit, we do not need to know it what direction mass is needed. The quantity can be added, subtracted and multiplied by using ordinary algebraic. For example, if we took 2 kilogram of sugar and add another 3 kilogram of sugar, will be have 2 kilogram plus 3 kilogram of 5 kilogram of sugar. Example of scalars are density, speed, density, energy change, volume of power, temperature, electrical current, and heat, etc. Vectors are vector quantity. These are quantity which can be completely described by its magnitude or size as well as direction are called vectors or vector quantities. Some quantities such as a weight, velocity, require both a magnitude or size and direction for a complete description and are called vector or vector quantity. Displacement. The shorter direct distance between two positions is called displacement. The distance from one point to another is called displacement. Displacement has direction and therefore it is a vector quantity. Displacement is usually denoted by and has SI unit meter, same as distance. For example, if your friend asks you have far is your home from school and you tell him that it is about 4 kilogram from school, you actually told him the length of the path covered by road. It could be a motion. Use specific density of your home. On the other hand, if you reply that it is 1.6 kilometer toward east, this time you are telling him displacement of your home. The situation is shown in figure. Distance is a scalar quantity, therefore speed is also a scalar quantity. Have accident of meter per second